Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top stock that you should be watching for today and for some of the other days of the week. And I'm definitely going to talk about Snapchat for sure. I'm definitely going to be talking about Fastly as well and other stocks that you've been asking about throughout the previous videos. Like I always say, if you got stocks of interest, drop them down in the comment section below. So let's get started. First of all, I think I'm gonna get my red day today. Right now, the SPY futures are down. The SPY is down itself by negative 1.14. Again, I said yesterday that I wanted to see negative 2.5%. And the reason why I wanted to see that is I just want the stock to just drop all the way down to like right here. Just anywhere down here would be a great dip buy, especially for the dip buyers out there who are considering this to go long. So yeah, that's the very first one. The second reason why I'm gonna show y'all really quickly is this one. The futures chart is a lot more clear. There isn't that much gray in between, but there is a flag on here. It's very clear. It's very obvious. It's right there. Okay, and I want to see the SPY futures drop all the way down here. Okay, before we see a move up to like 3,600, probably throughout the rest of the week or into the next week that's following. But yeah, I just want to see the stock tank all the way down. On Friday, I was watching this very closely on Friday, and then as soon as it made this turn right there, I just wanted the following days just be bearish and be red. So anybody who is short in the market, congratulations. You should be getting paid as soon as the market opens. So yeah, today might be a short day for all of you. So just pay attention really closely. Okay, pay attention. It might be a short day, but I don't think it's gonna last for too long. Okay, and don't get too greedy too, especially if you're holding puts. Now, the next stock that I think we should talk about is JMIA. JMIA, I talked about JMIA, I believe, on Friday or probably on Saturday. But the stock is doing excellent. The stock is just crushing it. There is no stopping it. Short sellers are getting are getting destroyed. Short sellers are getting destroyed. The stock is at $19 now. And this, I'm not changing it. I think we're gonna break this level very soon at $22. And then I will be looking to get in short, probably at $30 or at $35, because that's my preference. Again, I can always go long on this too, because I can go long until I become short. So which is actually kind of nice. So yeah, definitely watch this thing for a long, because short sellers are getting destroyed right now. There isn't really any news. This is just like purely technical, purely psychological. There may be a slight pullback, but again, for me, like I want to see the stock very high up here so that I can make money on the way back down. Okay, so again, there's multiple ways to approach this one. Have fun with it. There's a lot of volume in here, a sub 7%. And the nice thing is it has options on it, so which is really good. The option chain is there. I like it. I like it in both ways. So again, just have fun with this one. Have fun with this one. The next one that we're going to talk about is Rocket Mortgage, RKT. There you go, RKT, and it recently had its IPO, and the stock is back down to the IPO levels again. So for all of you, I think this is just Rocket Company. It is Rocket Mortgage. Yes, it is. Okay, so for all of you long-term investors out there, if you know a lot about this company, if you've done your due diligence, and you think this is a great company to invest in, this level is not a bad level to start grabbing like shares or something. Yeah, if you're into that. We trade options here on this channel, as all of you know. So let's look at it from the 5-minute chart. The 5-minute chart is following the market, but then again, I don't think this bearish thing is gonna last too long, unless other unless unless other scenarios happen in the short term. Then I will talk about that in the next videos that follow again. So yeah, definitely stick around for that. But right now, watch this thing for intraday patterns. It's down right now, and I don't think anybody who got in here are just looking to get out like tomorrow, especially given the fact that there is a lot of short sellers who got in here and who got in here, who took their money here and who took their money again on Friday. And if the stock holds and then creeps up a little bit, more of them will start taking their money. And when short sellers starts taking their money, the stock starts to rise. One thing that I don't like is that it has earnings coming up again. Watch out. Yeah, I don't like holding anything through earnings, so definitely watch out with RKT. That is my very honest opinion on RKT. The next one that I want to talk about is NVDA. NVDA. Let me just do this thing. NVDA. There you go. All right, and NVIDIA looks actually decent. I liked it because of this thing right here. And so far, it's not looking too terrible. I just wanted to stay here for a while at 445 for a move up to the long side. I'm not bearish on it yet. When I look at it on here, obviously this looks like it could come down, but then again, there is short sellers trapped in here, and then there is a hammer on a daily chart, and the stock is about to open just right outside of it right here. So just watch it without a bias. It's very important to just watch it without a bias. It could always tank and then get back in here, and then we'll have to wait for something else to happen. But for now, it's looking decent. If it can just stay strong, even though the market looks like it wants to tank to negative 2.5, which I would like. Just if the stock can stay strong, it might be good for long. So definitely watch the video to the long side. And then let me provide some updates on Peloton, because we've been talking about Peloton for a while, and Peloton is showing strength pre-market. A move to the downside would be great. Consolidation would suck. So just watch this one carefully, okay? And be very patient with it. It's very extended. I wouldn't buy it long. I would just wait for it to just crumble all the way down to here. And plus it has earnings coming up. And again, if the move doesn't happen before earnings, just be patient with it. I do not risk any money through earnings once again. So just watch out with that one. And there may be intraday patterns as well. Just watch closely. They're coming. Keep your eyes open. Okay. The next one that I want to talk about is Disney. And Disney is tanking along with the market. Let's look at it on the daily chart. Yeah, if it can hold above 124 for a while, then we can see a move back up again. Yeah, I'm not bearish on Disney at all. I'm not bearish on Disney, especially given the fact that this level held right here. Okay, so some more consolidation followed by a breakout will be nice. So again, just watch this one closely. Just keep it on your watch list, and the chart will literally tell you eventually. Just chill. Don't force anything. Just chill. The next one that I want to talk to all of you about is Fastly. Fastly looks great. Fastly, if you change that to the 15, it's at these levels right here. Okay. I don't like the fact that earnings is coming up. I don't like that. But watch it very closely. If it can just stay in here for a while, it may make a massive move through earnings. Which direction is it going to go? Honestly, I have no idea. And I'm not going to try to guess either. For all of you long-term investors out there, this may be a good move again, but just be really careful with earnings. It's right around the corner. So the way I would approach this if I wanted to day trade this one, okay, is to look for intraday patterns in here. And if there is a move that we can capitalize on to like 80 or $90 before earnings, great. Holding through earnings, not recommended. Again, not recommended. This is earning season. I get it. But just don't go in too heavy, especially if you can't help it. It's okay to throw in like $50 in one direction, because if it goes the wrong way, it would just be $50. But don't go in with thousands of dollars, hoping for the stocks to go in one direction, and then it doesn't, and you get annihilated. That's just not smart. Okay, so be very wise with this one. Obviously, it looks like an amazing dip buy. There's a doji on there. I don't know what to call this one. Yeah, it's just a doji. It's green. There's some volume in here. So yeah, just watch it. It's gonna open slightly lower, but if it can consolidate and then show another like massive push to like $84, then it may be good for a pre-anticipatory run towards earning, and then you can like cash out, because again, holding through earnings is not recommended here. So yeah, if you got value from this video, definitely destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm as always. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell if you're new. That way you don't miss out on the pre-market analysis videos and the post-market analysis videos that will be released this evening at around 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. And if you're not following us on social media, definitely follow us on Instagram and on Twitter at Paul and Guma and at Patternology Lab. For those of y'all who are interested in getting started in the stock market, I left some step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. It only takes 15 minutes to sign up and to get access to brokers like Robinhood and Webull. And it's amazing software called Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade, okay? And you also get 2 free stocks when you sign up using the link below, the very first link for Webull. And you get 1 free stock when you sign up with Robinhood using the other link below as well. Once again, my name is Paul Nguma with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I'm gonna see y'all on the next one, but I think I forgot Neo, and I know that all of you are concerned about it. So let's just address it really quickly. Yeah, okay. Just last bet. It's in the zone. Just chill. If it crumbles, go short. If it doesn't crumble, just chill. Okay? That is my tad bit on that one. It's not terrible. It's looking great. Just be patient with Neo. If it drops, go short. Okay? If it consolidates, that's great. Just chill with Neo. Alright. Now I'm gonna see y'all in the next video this afternoon.